Why, hello everyone. I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, Halloween edition. For the month of October, instead of giving widespread advice for acting and voice acting alike, I wanted to narrow down the topics to things that may help you bring more spook to your October. So, we've covered how to sound spooky with and without added effects. What's next? Well, how about I share with you one of my personal strengths, sounding mad. Now, not mad as in angry, mad as in batshit crazy. Some of the strongest characters that I voice are not quite mentally stable and tend to be on the murdery side of things. Even when in theater, I tended to get cast as murdery crazy people. Even if that meant I was playing a man, which happened a lot. Anyway, let's get started. First and foremost, I make the most over-exaggerated expression that fits the mood. Happy? That grin better be from ear to ear! Normal with a hint of, I want the world to end. Oh, brows furrowed with a frown, my man. Although no one can see it, it helps give off that vibe of unsettling. Next step for me is either talking a little bit faster or slower than necessary. Now, the director might have other plans, but I think it adds to the character. A bit too fast, and you might have someone whose mouth can't just keep up with their brain, and they're trying to get everything they need to say out before it's too late. And too slow, you have someone who might be a little bit too lost in their thoughts to truly care about who they're talking to, or what they're talking about. This is really just character building, and that's something that you and your director should discuss before you guys start recording. But it's great for auditions to give yours a little bit something different. Next is stuffing so much confidence into a character that it hurts. Most people who are a bit on the murdery side or the crazy spectrum don't really have many doubts or bouts of anxiety that they have constantly. They might have it when they're alone, but not when talking to people. Oh, no. They exude so much confidence that even if they did something completely wrong, it looked right. Now, I can do a whole video on how to act confident, but that's for a video when October ends. And finally, of course, with everything that I do in EVA, a good dose of research can help more than I can with explaining what I do personally. And if I need something very specific, I tend to look up court recordings of convicted murderers or rapists, and study how they act. Most have little to no remorse for what they did, and the fact that they're going to jail seems like a very small, minor inconvenience to them. Watching these people does kind of make someone uncomfortable, so I do understand if this step is not for you, but it will help you with your acting if that's the type of character you're going for. And if these kinds of things make you uncomfortable, might I suggest not pursuing that type of character anymore? Thanks. Remember, acting, just like any other form of art, is the mimicry of reality. When getting into character, you don't have to want to murder people, but knowing that the character wants to is key. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have any suggestions or requests for other EVA topics? Leave them in the comments below, or at me on Twitter. It's creating love. Follow me. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. So, this has been episode number 19 of EVA. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content.